Point is benzilic acid rearrangement. So what is this benzilic acid rearrangement? First, you see the structure of benzilic acid. So this is structure of benzilic acid. Two carbons you are seeing, this carbon hydroxyl group, this carbon carboxylic group, functional group, carboxylic acid functional group, and to phenyl part. So this is called benzilic acid, and it is prepared from this benzene. So this is the structure of benzene. From benzene, the benzilic acid is prepared. How it is prepared? It is prepared with the help of strong base like potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. So this is what is we want to have. This is we are having actually. So we are using strong base. And the first step of this reaction is attack of O minus of this strong base on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon. So it can attack on this carbon also. So we are considering this carbon here. So O minus is attacking on carbonyl carbon. So obviously what will happen, because you see here already 4 valency of carbon. So what is happening is that this one bond, pi bond, is breaking, electrons are shifting on the oxygen. So it is acquiring negative charge. And this OH is connecting here, right? This is reversible. This can break and benzene can regenerate. But if you see what is happening here, the negative charge is formed. Now there is second possibility also, that this can go into this state. What is happening here? Again, these electrons are shared between this oxygen and carbon, but already here this carbon is having 4 valency. So what it is doing, it is not breaking this OH minus. So as here, this OH is not breaking. Instead, this phenyl, this is breaking and this is connecting to this carbon. Now how it is happening? This is not happening stepwise. This is happening everything simultaneously. So it is shown by this structure. This is called transition state. In this transition state, you are seeing that this electrons is connecting with this carbon like this, and this is breaking and it is connecting to this carbon, as what we saw here, that carbon is electron deficient. So this with electron, phenyl is going to connect to this carbon. So point is very simple, that this phenyl is breaking with electron and is connecting to this. This oxygen is sharing electron with this carbon, and everything is happening simultaneously. This is breaking, this is connecting. Oxygen's electron, they are connecting with this carbon. So this is a transition state. And what is happening is shown here. If you see here, these electrons are gone here, so negative charge. This phenyl is connected here, so 2 phenyls you are seeing here, and this negative charge, now it form double bond, so it is C double bond, and this OH is already present. So we got this carboxylic acid derivative. This is actually alkoxide, O minus is there. This is not stable. This is very strong base, and this part is acid, right? COOH. So this proton transfer will take place. This acid will generate this H plus, and because O minus is requiring H plus here, so this H plus from here will connect to this O minus, so it will form OH, right? And here, because hydrogen is going without electron, so electrons are remaining on oxygen, so it is O minus. Understand the reaction we are doing using base. So counter ion is there, potassium or sodium. Finally, this is treated with acid H plus. So H plus can connect here, and we are getting finally alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. This is called benzilic acid. So this is the synthesis of benzilic acid from benzene. This is very famous, and therefore the reaction is called benzilic acid rearrangement.